neighbors who are now being questioned by the police. Mumbai Crime Branch team is in the nearby areas now, and they are now speaking with the neighbors. There were protests that were taking place very close to where Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor stay. Mumbai Crime Branch team have now taken those people who were protesting into custody. The protesters highlighted the state of law and order situation in the state of Maharashtra.
देखिए, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का सिचुएशन जरूर है और उसे मुंबई में खास तौर पर बांद्रा में देखना चाहिए कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, पर उसे कोई भी कम्युनल एंगल देखना सही नहीं है, क्योंकि जब किसी की जान जाती है, मुझे पता है मेरे परिवार में हुआ है, और या तो किसी पे हमला होता है तो कोई ये नहीं देखता है कि वो हिंदू है या मुसलमान है। तो मुझे लगता है इसमें कम्युनल एंगल नहीं देना चाहिए, सिर्फ ये देखना चाहिए कि देश का हर एक नागरिक, उसकी सुरक्षा होनी चाहिए और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन मेंटेन होना चाहिए पूरे भारत में।
My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, we are now seeing that there were protests that were also held with regards to the deteriorating law and order situation in the state of Maharashtra, specifically in the city of Mumbai.
Well, we did see a protester who had come in just now. In fact, he was taken in by Mumbai police right into the police station because he was raising this entire issue of how, over the last many months that we have seen after the Salman Khan firing incident, then there was Baba Siddiqui, who was the ex-MLA, was gunned down. Then this entire incident happening with Saif Ali Khan. So there was a protester who came and, well, of course, the police kept asking him not to do that. Raise any issue, but he said that then where else should one go if you want to express, and that's the reason he was taken in to the police station by the policemen. But of course the police on their own also trying to make sure that the investigation does pick up pace. They did bring in a few more suspects that we had seen. However, at the moment, yes, it doesn't seem like Mumbai police is anywhere nearer to getting a clue as to who where could they find the accused who has been on the run for more than almost 60 hours now.
Right, Vidya, please stay on with me. Vidya, for more than 60 hours, it's been more than 60 hours since the horrific accident took place. Saif Ali Khan was being stabbed in his residence 6 times. But at the moment, the intruder is still on the run. The police is now scouting through all the CCTV footages that they have caught from various places in and around Bandra. Multiple CCTV images of the attacker have now surfaced. We have actually tried to put together the dots, and we have created a timeline of the events. The CCTV images that you are seeing on your screens are showing you how the attacker travelled on the 16th of January, the day when he attacked Saif Ali Khan. In the first window, you can clearly see the attacker climbing up the stairs of Saif Ali Khan's residence at about 1:37 a.m. In less than 40 minutes, you can see him rushing down the stairs, allegedly after he stabbed Saif Ali Khan. And once again, he was spotted in Bandra, walking with folded hands, clearly looking very anxious. He then goes on to what looks like a mobile repair shop in a market in Bandra. He was spotted once again at a railway station. The time of when he was at the railway station is unknown at the moment. The probe is intensifying in this case. In the latest, Saif Ali Khan's wife, Kareena Kapoor, has recorded her statement with the Bandra police. The attacker, however, still remains at large. Kareena Kapoor recorded her statement, and in her statement, she said that when the attack happened, the woman and the children were on the 12th floor. Kareena said it was Saif Ali Khan who tried to save the woman and the children, and when Saif intervened, the attacker could not reach Jahangir. Kareena also told the police that the attacker did not steal anything from the house, but he was very aggressive. He attacked Saif Ali Khan multiple times. She said she was scared after the attack. That's when her sister Karishma took her to her house. The accused who attacked Saif Ali Khan has been on the run for close to 60 hours. A team of 28 police officials are on the hunt to nab the accused. My colleague Vidya is still with me on the story. Vidya is standing right outside the Bandra police station. That's the place where the questioning now is taking place. Vidya, Kareena Kapoor has also given her statement, and through her statement, the picture, at least for the moment, has become a little more clearer.
Well, Well, of course, with every statement that is recorded, the entire, the gamut of what had really happened is kind of understood when each and every person involved does give their statement. In this particular case, as she said, that soon after the incident, the accused really did not want anything in particular, but he wanted, to just, he was very, in an attacking mode where he was assaulting Saif, and after that he left, and you can see in his demeanor that he is actually moving very slowly. There's no, it's not like he came there to hit and then wanted to just run away. He is walking at his own pace. There seems to be in no hurry. The rest of the CCTV footages that if you see, that also go on to show that he was just roaming around in Mumbai, and which is a very strange thing. If you have actually, assaulted someone in that manner in which someone is assaulted, a normal person would actually go on the run, would have actually made sure that they are out of sight and mind of the people. But in here you can see that, in this particular person is actually right there. And there is another person who, as you can see, there's a team of Mumbai police which is just leaving right now. So a lot of hectic, happenings right here at the Bandra police station. But yes, as you were asking me about it, Mumbai police is still trying to make sure who this person is, where can he be found, and what exactly was his motive, because his demeanor does not reflect as that of someone who was very normal.